This dance is called Tropical Breeze. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance. Starting on our right foot with a vine to the right and across. So we step the right to the side, cross left behind right, step right to the side, cross left over right. Rock to the side on the right. As you recover your weight on the left, make a quarter turn to the left. Shuffle forward on that right. That section of steps once more then. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle. Add on a couple of heel switches. So we touch our left heel forward, step left beside right. Touch the right heel forward, step the right beside the left. Touch the left heel forward, touch the left beside the right. Shuffle forward on that left, step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn to the left. That set of steps once more then, heel switches off on the left. 7, 8, heel and heel and heel, toe left shuffle, step, pivot. Let's add those together. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle, heel and heel and heel, toe left shuffle, step, pivot. Cross shuffle, right over left, cross, side, cross. Rock to the side on the left. As you recover your weight on the right, make a quarter turn to the right. Shuffle forward on the left, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left. So that set of steps once more then, cross shuffle, right foot leading. 7, 8, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock. Let's add that to the top. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle, heel and heel and heel, toe, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock. We're now going to add on a full turn travelling backwards. Now if you don't wish to do this full turn, just walk back, right, left. Otherwise it's half a turn right as you step that right forward, half a turn right as you step the left back. Into a coaster step, walk forward, left, right, shuffle forward on the left. So that set of steps once more then. Full turn off on the right. 7, 8, full turn, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're doing the dance and the walk through. I will be doing the non-turning back option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So it's the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle, heel and heel and heel, toe, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock, full turn, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully you can get a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Fine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle. Heel and heel and heel, toe, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock, full turn, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle, heel and heel, toe, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock, full turn, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle, heel and heel, toe, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock, full turn, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle, heel and heel, turn, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock, full turn, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle, heel and heel, turn, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock, full turn, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle, heel and heel, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock, full turn, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, right shuffle, heel and heel, turn, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, rock, turn, left shuffle, forward rock, full turn, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle, vine, heels, cross shuffle, full turn, 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 hope you managed that one.